Google Trends is a powerful tool. It lets us see how often people search for things online. This helps us understand what people are interested in at different times. For example, we can see if searches for Christmas gifts go up in December. Google Trends shows us these changes over time. It uses data from Google Search. This data is constantly being updated, so we can see what is trending right now. This tool is helpful for many reasons. Businesses can use it to see what products people are searching for. Journalists can use it to see what topics are popular, and anyone can use it to learn more about the world around them. Google Trends processes a lot of data. It has to handle millions of searches every day. To do this, it uses a few clever tricks. First, Google Trends takes a sample of searches. This means it doesn't look at every single search, but the sample is big enough to be accurate. Next, Google Trends makes the data anonymous. This means it removes any information that could identify a specific person, so your searches are always private. Then, Google Trends normalizes the data. This means it adjusts the numbers so that they can be compared over time. For example, it takes into account the fact that more people use Google now than in the past. Finally, Google Trends presents the data in a way that is easy to understand. It uses graphs and charts to show how search interest changes over time. Using Google Trends is easy. First, go to the Google Trends website. You will see a search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, type in a word or phrase that you are interested in. For example, you could type in coffee, then click on the search button. You will see a graph that shows how often people have searched for that term over time. You can change the time period that is shown on the graph. You can also compare the popularity of different search terms. You can also see how popular a search term is in different parts of the world, and you can see what other terms people searched for when they searched for your term. Google Trends doesn't show the exact number of searches. Instead, it shows the relative popularity of a search term. The highest point on the graph is set to 100. All other points are scaled relative to that. So if a search term has a value of 50, it means that it was half as popular as the most popular term during that time period. A value of 0 means that there was not enough data to show the term's popularity. It's important to remember that Google Trends data is not perfect. It can be influenced by things like news events and holidays, but it is still a valuable tool for understanding what people are interested in.